In this video, you'll learn how to effectively search for services on Taskrabbit. By following these steps, you will be able to find the right tasker for your needs, whether it's furniture assembly, moving help, or any other service available on the platform. Begin by navigating to the Taskrabbit website. If you already have an account, proceed to log in using your credentials. If you are a new user, look for the option to sign up, which is typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. After entering your information, complete the registration process to access the platform. Once you are logged in, locate the button labeled Book a Task, which is prominently displayed at the top of the homepage. Clicking this button directs you to the task search interface, where you can start looking for services. Now, focus on the search bar that appears on the screen. Here you should type in relevant keywords for the service you need. For example, you could enter terms such as furniture assembly, moving, mounting, or handyman. After entering your keywords, you may notice that suggestions begin to populate below the search bar. Take a moment to browse through the drop-down suggestions. This list will provide you with related categories along with average project costs, helping you make an informed decision about the type of service that fits your needs. Review these suggestions carefully before proceeding to the next step. Select the category that best matches your requirements. By clicking on your chosen service, you will be directed to a page that allows you to enter your location. Inputting your location is essential to ensure that you see taskers who are available in your area. After entering your location, you will be prompted to describe your job. Provide as many details as possible about the task you need help with. This information is crucial as it allows taskers to prepare adequately and understand the scope of your project. Once you have described your job, you will be presented with a list of taskers. Here, you can compare their rates, read reviews from previous clients, and check their availability. This comparison will help you choose the tasker who is best suited for your needs. Finally, after selecting a tasker, you will proceed to schedule the task and arrange payment. You will schedule a convenient time for the tasker to complete the job, and payment is typically processed once the task is finished, ensuring you are satisfied with the service. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.